Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sri Desmawita. I am a student of the State Islamic University of Imam Bonjol Padang in the Islamic Education Counseling Guidance Study Program. Here, I will explain a little about the counseling guidance. Well, go ahead. Okay, guidance and counseling is an assistance service for students, both individually and in groups, to be able to be independent and development optimally in the fields of personal life development, social life, learning abilities, and career planning through various types of service and support activities based on norms, application norms. Number 1, definition of guidance. Guidance is one of the field and program of education, and this program is intended to help optimize student development. According to Albert, guidance is all program or all activities and service and educational institutions that are directed to helping individuals so that they can develop and implement plans and make adjustments in all aspects of their daily life. Guidance is a special service that is different from other field education. Next, number 2, definition of counseling. Counseling is actually one of the technique or service in guidance, but this technique or service is very special because it is flexible and comprehensive. Counseling is one of the techniques in guidance, but it is a core technique or a key technique. This is because counseling can provide a fundamental change, namely change attitude underline action, thought, views and feelings, and so on. Every human being is never free from problems. Whenever complicated problems and difficult or like problems. In the face of problem, not everyone can finish because of the potential one host vary. There are people who have big and difficult problems, but he can handle it. But on the other hand, there are people who have a minor problem, but he can handle. He needs someone to help him solve the problem. Here the need for guidance and counseling service. In general, the concept of guidance and counseling has long been known people through history. History of development of individual potential can be tracked from ancient Greek society. They emphasized efforts to develop and strengthen individuals through education. Counselor who is a great national is Plato. He is seen a counselor because he pays great attention to the problems of individual psychological in understanding. Next, guidance and counseling function. Number 1, preventive function atau preventive. Guidance and counseling service can function as prevention means is a preventive measure against the emergence of problem in function. This preventive service is provided in the form of assistance to clients so that they'll avoid various problems that can hinder its development. Activities that function as preventing can be in the form of orientation, career guidance program, data inventory, and so on. Number 2, understanding function. The function of understanding in question is the function of guidance and counseling, which will result in an understanding of something by the parties according to development needs. For example, development. Number 1, understanding of student self, especially by students themselves, parents, teachers, and tutors. Number 2, understanding of the student environment, or including in the environment, family, and school, especially by the student themselves, parents, teacher, and mentor teacher. Number three, understanding of the wider environment, or especially within in education, position at or job and or career information and information culture or values especially by students. Okay, next number three, repair function. Also, prevention and understanding function have been carried out. However, maybe people are still facing certain problem. This is where the repair function comes into play, namely the guidance and counseling function, counseling that will result in the breakdown or resolution of various problems experienced by client.